Now this is something I wanted to do for quite some time, but it's never really been a priority until now. Instructions. Beautiful mirrors. Let's see. Ooh. Maybe these with one hand? Probably not. Carbon fibre. Dude, these things are beautiful. Me. Arms and hardware. And we have the base plates, because the outfits are the ones with the base plates. Let me put these together and stuff these on. Ooh. Fancy. Damn, dude. I like these. I like them a lot. That's super nice. We got this, and this to hold it in place. This one for the mirror itself. Talking to myself, sorry, as always. Boom, boom, boom. That one goes for the little mirror itself, the arm. I guess these are just here for fun, I guess. Don't think I need these for anything. Another thing I want to add real quick is, you might be wondering, that's not going to be tight enough if you just spin them on my hand if that ball joint's spinning, right? You are correct. But my camera will focus, and you look very, very closely. Right there. You see those little two bars? Well, that one bar, there's one on the other side. You could slide an 8mm wrench on here, and then you can really crank this thing down so it doesn't just spin off whenever you're trying to adjust it. That's what I did to both of these. So, do that first. Why struggle with the weenie wrench when we have T-handles lying around? Yeah, I don't think that to be caveman tight, but I want them to be tight because I don't want my fucking mirrors flying off. That's tight. And this one's not tight. Let's tighten this one. Nice and tight. And one more to go. Nice and tight. Alright, let's see. We have keys. Should roll my window down before I even started this, honestly. Boom. That's all facing me right now. Well, let's see. Mirror. Actually, did I get it first try? No fucking way. Let's see. No. Tilt it back a little more. Okay, I seriously think like right there is it. That is perfect. Okay, we need to tighten that down now so it doesn't go anywhere. All right, let's pretend this is my POV, which it kind of is. Mirror, perfectly good out of. This mirror, on the other hand, kind of gets blocked by that little pillar a little bit. Like if I cholo lean back, I can definitely see out completely. But from like right here, I have to like lean over a little bit to completely see the mirror. So like, say I'm right here, look over, you see how it's a little blocked. You have to like lean just a little bit so you can see the rest of the mirror, but they're adjusted the way I want them to be. So let's go test drive them and wash this puppy up. We have something important to do in a couple days, which will probably be included in this video too. Fuck it, why not? Still enjoying the Tomei! Woo! I feel like it sounds better now than when I first installed it. It's got to be fully like broken in now. Good morning, world. Tomei cold start, 7 a.m. tired as hell, but we have stuff to do today, so we cold start, we go meet up with the boys, and then we go have some fun. But it is true that, like, at the end of the video, this car is actually on airlift now. Like, there was nothing wrong. I'm still on their struts. I'm running the True Hard struts, True Hard suspension struts. Nothing wrong with those. I swapped over to airlift just because I honestly like the airlift management better, but that's just me. Like, there's nothing wrong with the Vera Air one. I was just being a picky bitch and wanted airlift, so I decided to swap over to airlift. And they had that huge sale, like that I forgot what they call it. It wasn't a tax season sale. I don't remember what the hell it was called, but they had this huge ass sale, so I decided to pull the trigger and switch over to their management. I just got the management only. I didn't buy anything else. Like, I didn't buy a tank. I already had a tank, my compressor, and all that fun stuff. Oh, there goes the camera. So I had my tank, my compressor, all that fun stuff. All I needed was the management, so that's all I got. And yeah, no regrets. No regrets whatsoever. Now here's the real fun part. The car's clean, but it rained last night, so now it's probably gonna get dirty. Oh, fuck you, rain. Everyone asks why I hate rain. This is why. I clean my cars. Yeah, I went around that puddle. I clean my cars, and it rains, and they get all fucking dirty.
You're fine. I convinced them.
I convinced them. Ricer gang, roll out. It's a swap. You see that? What am I looking at? It's a swap. Oh yeah, brother. I see that. And he has access port. Probably the full ECU swap too. This thing's clean as hell. I mean, seats are a little crusty, but the rest of the car's clean as hell.
Hey, is this the OEM? Huh? This is the OEM color, right?
No.
No?
This thing's fucking sick.
It's paint though. You even got the fucking JDM sticker on the back.
Yeah, it is paint.
I think it's sick as fuck, honestly.
My hand slipped.
Hey, yo, Chance, chill, bro.
Hey, look at the name.
Our
Puta.
That thing's clean as hell, dude.
That's cool.
Fucking the club on a GTR. Whose man's? Extra safe.
It's a nice color too. Look at the carbon fiber.
It's clean.
I feel like that's one of my if you push on the 5.
So cool, dude. You can just do it if you really wanted to. It's clean as shit.
One more question. When's the last
Like,
series
look.
wire?
Yellow fogs.
Oh man, we've had a few.
Boom. Yellow fogs are cool, dude. I like them. I do like them. But this, I'm telling you, this carbon trunk, dude, this thing's clean. This could be you, Chins. This could be you.
Hey, Mike.
Right.
Dude, that color, I'm telling you, like, I don't really like blue cars, but this color is fucking beautiful. Damn. BRZ gang, well, 86 gang too. Drex, is that you? Drex? When did you move your car? Drex with an STi wing? So how do you feel about the STi wing after seeing it in person on one of these? You want it?
You want an STi wing?
I don't know how I feel about a VD with an STi wing. I really don't. Something about it just looks off. I don't know what it is.
I think too much black.
Think so? That's something about the wing that just looks off. I mean, like, I don't know. Like, it's kind of weird. I feel like these cars look.
Like it in general, man.
I feel like these cars look really good when you have like that nice high kick duckbill.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm just a fan of duckbills too.
I feel like this.
An R34 hiding right there.
These ones are just too high. I think that's what it is. I think it's the placement.
No, I don't know. I really don't know. Maybe it is that actually, because I forgot this trunk kind of, it like comes up.
Yeah.
I don't know. I really don't know. It's just something. Titanium hardware flex, dude. That's what I need. I want to get titanium hardware for. I think I should just look at this. Even up here, big flex. I love it, dude. Honestly, like I love titanium hardware on carbon like that. It looks so clean.
But like my 40 just the way
My red light on is. Jesus, dude.
Sir, I know. Hey, it's gonna settle down.
This is why we need new headlight lenses.
Glitter too. Sparkle.
Look at that. It's gonna be chins real soon. Not purple, but soon. One of the cool kids are upside down STi logos. I mean Subaru logos.
And mechanically inclined.
Chin's going rotated setup because he's rich.
I'll probably have you just do it for me.
Shit, say less.
Wow, bro.
Huh?
Look how close it works.
Oh shit! I just noticed that. That's real boyfriend shit right there. Chins, where you at? We should be parked that close to each other.
I promise I will have partners.
Dude, the carbon grill should be sweet right here. Baby needs a carbon grill.
I really like the girl on these also just because of how like just all separate. Like,
Dude, I
it's
want the
not
carbon grill too, honestly. Dude,
nice.
everyone's got titanium shit, dude. We need titanium shit.
Yeah, it's like,
We need to get rich. We need more carbon chins. We need titanium. Come on, to the very end. Let's go. This is some next level horny shit. Horny. Super painted. Now let's swap the RX-7. We take these. This thing sounds fucking sick too. I heard it when it came in. I think it might actually be on camera. I don't remember. I'll find out when I'm editing. This thing's nice as hell. Here.